you've probably started over, more times than you can count. A new habit, a new routine, a new system for time, energy, focus. Works a few days, maybe weeks. Then something shifts. You miss a day, lose momentum. Instead of picking up where left off, you start again from beginning. New page, fresh start. Day one, starting over feels good, clean, optimistic, like new year, new week, Monday morning. But months or years of resets? Why does reset keep happening? Why building forward so hard? Most assume lack discipline, not consistent enough. Something wrong with willpower, motivation, character. Almost never the real reason. Reset cycle, starting, stopping, restarting. Usually structural problem, not personal, not who you are. How system built and meets real conditions. Reset triggers rarely dramatic failure. Usually small, few missed days, busy week, stress where habits slip. Then mind says, this attempt over. Need fresh start. Thought feels logical. Costs more than realized. Every reset not starting from zero. Starting behind zero. Why? Restart brings memory of last failed attempt. Pattern of starting/stopping now familiar. Growing suspicion this time won't differ. Don't feel consciously, but it's there. Reset cycle reshapes belief about capability. Psychologists call self-efficacy, belief in follow-through ability. Complete task grows. Abandon/restart erodes slightly, compounding. Eventually reset becomes identity, starts but doesn't finish, tries but doesn't stick. That identity shapes every new attempt. What's happening between starting and building? Two things. First, perfectionism, all-or-nothing response to disruption. Few bad days feel like end, so restart not continue. Second, subtler. Building requires tolerating not working yet, period. Early days effortful, doesn't feel natural. No results, no reward signal. Uncomfortable. Reset escapes it. Reset gives optimism of beginning, motivation of fresh start, relief from hard middle. Reset itself becomes reward. Overlooked habit dynamic. Reset subconscious strategy avoiding in-between discomfort. Building middle unglamorous. Doing the thing. Nothing remarkable yet. Not beginner excitement, not experienced results. Just in it. Research calls valley of disappointment. Expected easier/better/noticeable by now. Isn't. Doubt. Working? Doing right? Different approach faster? Reset temptation strongest week 3 to 4. Novelty gone. Results not arrived. Separates builders from cyclers. Builders not more disciplined. Learned valley normal. Not working feeling doesn't mean not working. Middle discomfort signal to stop. No signal something building. Helpful reframe. Habits exist on intensity spectrum. Full version some days, half others. Minimum possible some days. Never reset to zero. Single push-up counts. 2 minutes reading counts. 1 conscious breath counts. Not enough alone. Preserves thread, keeps identity intact. Signals brain, still do this. Even today, even little. Fundamental shift, did routine to did identity maintain. Identity survives disruption. Routines don't always. Practical restart ritual. Reset, new plan, write down motivated. Ritual mimics progress without execution. Spend more redesigning than doing. Restart habit itself. Antidote, less exciting plan, more automatic doing. Less ceremony, less optimization, less perfect system weight. More quiet, boring continuation. Building looks like continuing bad day even poorly. Missing day not meaning anything. Minimum version when full unavailable. Week 4 like week 1 continuity momentum. Less dramatic fresh start, more quiet repeated decision to continue. Don't need another day 1. Need day after bad day. And day after that. That's building. Not as clean as starting over. Only thing that gets you somewhere.